And our yogurt is done. It's been at 106 degrees for 36 hours. So I take off the cover and see how much condensation there was there. And here I used parchment paper and a rubber band to cover the yogurt jar. To unplug that and get rid of that noise. Last time, I noticed last night, the jar had kind of tipped over a little bit, and the cat was curious. So I'm really glad I had at least some kind of cover on it. Now let's open it up and see what we find. And I'm going to get a towel. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. It's kind of ugly, isn't it? In fact, it's super ugly. So let me get a spoon. This is the whey. The definition of whey is the water that comes off of cheese making. And technically, I guess maybe some of that could be called curds if you wanted to say we were making cheese, which we're really not. A lot of that is air. Great, I just made a little mess there. So you hear all the air squishing out of it? And notice how it has just shrunk because it has just lots of air in it. Lots of gases that were released during our yogurt making. So now that I've stirred it up, it will stay homogenized. It will emulsified. It will stay mixed up. And it looks good now. Yes, there are some curds in it. But that's because we've cultured it for 36 hours. That's a long time to culture. So what we're focusing on is the benefit. How many healthy bugs are in there? This is a SIBO yogurt. And on my next batch, I'll use 2 tablespoons of this yogurt as my starter for my next batch. And it will be much creamier.